Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials. Today's question sounds like this. How to narrow the larynx? I tried, but I still break on high notes. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you, please watch my video how to find your mixed voice step 2. Watch this and you will find more information. But now let's go further, let's discuss it, let's make it clear. So the main thing you need to find this narrowing of your larynx is let yourself be foolish, let yourself fool around, let yourself play and be foolish. Try mimicking sounds, try to play. The first thing you can try playing is, you can try imitating is whining like a puppy. When you play, so if you don't play, if you're not foolish, if you don't let yourself this, if you're too serious, it will be difficult to find this kind of voice. This is all about trying, playing and fooling around. Okay, the first one is whining like a puppy. Pretend that you're playing with children and you're imitating a puppy. Then you can try gradually to open it. But don't try to do it very fast. First, if you once you have found this whining and ringing sound, yes, the job is done. That's what you have been looking for. Only this. Don't rush to open it. Puppy. Whining. The second one, I showed this before, NG sound. The NG sound that we need. Not like this. Notice it sounds like whining again. There is no narrowing. NG sound. Imitate a mosquito. Again, the same. Mosquito. The next thing. Imitate cartoon characters. That's what I forgot to tell you. Imitate cartoon characters.
Hello, friend. How are you? I'm fine. Let's go. Hello.
This high frequent sound, this ringing sound, this is also narrowing of the larynx. Okay, this was the first approach, the first option to find this narrowing of the larynx. Okay, the second option, the second approach is you can just start straight away from nay nay nay. You can start from nay nay nay, like nay 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 nay. Again, try to make it whiny. Nay 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 nay. We don't need a very beautiful sound at the beginning. We just need to find this position. Nay 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 nay. Let yourself fool around. Make the sound whiny. nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Then you can try to make it like fuller and to make it richer. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Yeah, okay. You can switch the exercises like nay, 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 mia, 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 viao, 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 vil, vil, vil. There are a lot more. Nay, 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 nia, 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 mia, 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 vil, ma, ma, ma. And you're going to choose the vowel that suits you most, because it's very individual. It's very individual which vowel suits you. Okay, you can try mya, 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 mia, 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 mia. For me it's more difficult. But we don't need to make this sound very beautiful. We all need the sound, first of all, to find this position. My experience tell me that it's easier to find it with the first approach, with the first option. How I showed you whining sound, then we did NG sound. It's easier. But again, it's very individual, and I recommend you trying everything. Okay, the next thing, yeah, try different vowel sounds. It's individual. Then sing vowels and think what you can improve in them. This is the last stage. It's not about finding this narrowing of the larynx. This is the last stage, so don't think about this now, okay? First of all, find this position, this feeling, and then trying singing vowels. Open it gradually. Again, we can get back to NG sound like this. Like, and only when you feel that you're doing it without strain and it's ringing enough, then you can open the vowels. And also pay attention to the quality of your NG sound, if it breaks or not. If it's like, it means that when you are trying to open the vowel sounds, it may break. It might break. Like, and then you open, and then it breaks. That's why pay attention to your NG sound. Keep it light, but the breath support feels like it's a chest note. Here in your larynx you feel something different, but the breath support feels like it's a chest note, chesty note, like your chest voice, okay? If you do it like your head voice, it won't work. So it has to be as relaxed as head voice, but with the breath support like in your chest voice. Now it's easier to sing, of course. What else? Yeah, I think that's all. That's it. Thank you for watching. Write your questions, and see you soon.